Hi everyone, today we're talking about the 2025 Lincoln Corsair. This is a 5-passenger luxury crossover with prices that start just under $40,000 for the Premier model. This one here is a Grand Touring model, which is a plug-in hybrid version. Prices for these ones start just over $54,000. However, this one here is fully loaded with all the options and checks in just under $69,000. Let's hop inside and check out a few things you should know. The exterior of the Corsair carries over for another year with that standard Lincoln grille up front, LED headlights. You've got Corsair badging on the front door and front fender. You've got nice 22-inch wheels on this model, particularly here. Profile remains the same. Coming around back, you've got LED lights that stretch across the back hatch with Lincoln spelled out across. Overall, a nice luxurious look to the Lincoln Corsair. The Jet Appearance Package for the 2025 Lincoln Corsair is an optional $2,200 upgrade available across all trim levels. This package enhances the vehicle's exterior with sleek, dark-themed accents that include blackened out elements such as the fender badge, upper grille design, and door frame moldings. New to the Corsair and standard in this package are 20-inch black aluminum wheels. Overall, this package gives the Corsair a sportier, more trendy vibe. Also available on the Corsair are available jeweled LED headlamps that not only add a touch of elegance to the Corsair's front end, but also feature smart technology that monitors and responds to the road. These headlamps bend into curves and provide clear view with speed-dependent lighting, enhancing both aesthetics and functionality. Under the hood, there are 2 powertrains available in the Corsair, with a turbocharged 2-liter i4 engine netting 250 horsepower with 275 pound-feet of torque, standard on both the Premier and Reserve. This model here is a Grand Touring model that features the more powerful 2.5-liter 4-cylinder plug-in hybrid powertrain with 2 electric motors that generates 266 horsepower combined and has an electric driving range of around 30 miles. It pairs with a continuously variable transmission with SelectShift capability, comes standard with all-wheel drive, and can tow about 3,000 pounds. It's also capable of getting from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 7 seconds. Blue Cruise is an advanced hands-free driving system that allows for hands-free driving on designated highways known as blue zones, which cover approximately 97% of controlled access highways in the United States and Canada. Once activated, Blue Cruise enables hands-free driving at highway speeds up to 80 miles per hour, while a camera on the steering wheel column monitors the driver's attention to ensure safety. The system can also assist with lane changes when the driver initiates the maneuver. It works remarkably well and smooth. Hopping inside, the Corsair features a horizontal design with mixed materials and colors. The materials are class appropriate and soft to the touch. Available ambient lighting will further set the tone of interior spaces. The other materials inside include aluminum, palletto wood, and metallic finishes to round out the luxurious vibe. It comfortably seats 5 passengers with sufficient head and legroom all around. Available upgrades include genuine leather, massaging front seats, ventilated front seats, a heated steering wheel, and 24-way power adjustability. Second-row seats can slide forward and back up to 6 inches, which help with various size passenger legroom or cargo area in the back. All seats in the Corsair are well padded and very plush. Standard technology includes Sync 4 with a 13.2-inch touchscreen and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration. There's also a wireless charging tray, push-button gear selector, and a dial knob for selecting the various drive modes. Also standard is Lincoln Copilot 360 2.0, which includes features like adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and much more. Available upgrades include a Revel 14-speaker audio system and Lincoln's Blue Cruise. The Corsair is a compact luxury crossover that generally seems to fly under the radar, but it does most things well and delivers a very smooth and comfortable ride. This is an impressive vehicle and has updates that have made it even better. Lincoln did a nice job with this vehicle, but its biggest challenge will be standing out in a crowded segment. That's a wrap of my look at the 2025 Lincoln Corsair. For the full review, you can visit DriveChicago.com or subscribe below for even more automotive content. And give us a follow on our other social channels, including X, Instagram, and Facebook. I'm Jim O'Brill with Drive Chicago. Thanks for watching.